Margaret. I'm a speech pathologist, and I'm going to show you how to do the L sound. This can be pretty tricky at times. So, we're going to open our mouth, put our tongue tip up. Show a little bit of the upper teeth and the lower teeth. Easy, you say, but it isn't always. So I have a little tongue blade. You may want to use this or the back of a spoon. And I want you to put your tongue blade on top of your tongue and press it down. And hold it there for 5 seconds while the tongue pushes up. Then put your tongue blade up here. And try to reach the tongue to the tongue blade. And then, when this doesn't work, and you've done that 5 or 6 times, then take one of these dental flossers and put your tongue through. You can even cheat with an L sound and say a word such as light, light. Although that's not perfect, it sounds better than white or yite or even a distorted L that we can't even understand. So doing this is just a little trick and a little cheat to get through until you can learn how to put your tongue up. Okay? So you have your tongue blade for tongue resistance training, and you have your dental flosser to put your tongue through, stick it out, bite it. All right, let's try some words. Okay? And after you do that tongue exercise with the tongue blade and the dental flosser, you can also stretch your tongue like that. And this little friend here is going to demonstrate how to do the L sound. Let's start with let's go.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Go.
All right, ready? You try.
Let's go.
Very nice. Let's do it slowly and say another word. Leave.
Leave.
Now, my little friend here is biting her tongue, which is okay because we're just little. But let's try it like this. Leave. Where your tongue is behind the 2 front teeth, right here. And we're going to try not to bite it. But if that's all we can do for our age and our strength and our ability, fine. Work towards that, okay? Let it go. Now, there is a song in Frozen that was so famous. This is a good way to practice it and singing. Let it go. Okay? And another word is let's leave the lion alone. We could try a little tongue twister. Let's leave the lion alone. Now, one of the most important things is even L at the end of a word. A lot of kids just don't even do it.
I don't go to the lion.
Okay, now she said lion, but actually the word is lions.
I don't go to the lion.
Very nice. And she's still sticking her tongue out, but that's okay. We'll get to that. Now, the next word I want to show you is an L at the end of the word, and the word is ball, and we're going to go ball. The next word is hill. Hill. And the last word is wheel. Wheel. Did you notice I said it very slowly? Did you notice I said the vowels for a long time?
Yeah.
To get your tongue ready. Ball. Slower the better. Hill. And keep your tongue inside. And the last word, wheel. Okay? And that is all for the L lesson. Thank you.